Hare Krishna, Guruji, Koti Koti Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Guruji, I'm not struggling with what you taught today, but from what I know, like how do I sharpen my intellect that what you're giving me as message, or what you're like guiding us, like sinks in deeper. Like that would be my question today.
Can you elaborate on your question a little bit more, Mataji?
Ji Guruji, what you taught today was like I was able to grasp, but I have like what do you call, like residual information in my head from my previous like readings, and like, so how do I reconcile both of them? And also what you're teaching or what I'm learning, that my intellect is sharp and that I can grasp it fast, so that like, like I see that's a two-part question. The question is like, how do I reconcile both? And also,
yeah, see, Bhagavad Gita is the ultimate knowledge, Mataji. That is the main thing. I don't know what you have read earlier, whether there is Bhagavad Gita or not, I don't know. But for us, everyone, maybe before we start studying Bhagavad Gita, we have certain type of faith and based on whatever we have read earlier, or what we understood earlier. But here, our goal also every day when we are studying Bhagavad Gita, study Bhagavad Gita as it is. So whatever is given in Bhagavad Gita is final. So that's because it's directly coming from Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God. Even Arjuna told so many things to Krishna in the first chapter. He said that I don't want to fight here. So by fighting here, I will be committing sins. By fighting here, I will be destroying the dharma. So by fighting here, I will be going to hell. That's what Arjuna told Krishna. So Dharme naste kulam krishnam kulakshaye pranasyanti kula dharmaga sanatana dharme naste kulam krishnam adharmo abhi bhavatyuta. That's what Arjuna told Krishna. So by killing the family here, I will be killing the dharma. And then adharma, that is the irreligiosity, adharma will flourish. So that's what Arjuna told Krishna. And Krishna told Arjuna in the second chapter, Swadharmam api chaveksha navikkampitum argasi dharmyadi yuddhachreyo nyadi kshatriyasya navidyate. So for a kshatriya, dharma is everything. The dharma is actually for a kshatriya is to fight here, not to stop fighting. So Arjuna said that by not fighting, I will be able to protect dharma. But Krishna said that only by fighting here, you will be able to protect dharma. And then Arjuna said that by fighting here, I will be committing sins. So ahobata mahat papam kartum vyavasitavayam. So we have come here to commit great sins. Papam evasraye dasman hatvaidan atatayinagam. So we have come here by killing the aggressors. We are actually committing sins. Like that Arjuna told. But Krishna told Arjuna that you are going to get akirtim chapi bhutani kadayisyante tevyam sambhavitasya cha akirti maranat adrichyate atachetvam imam dharmyam sangramam na karisyasi tatas swadharmam kirtim cha hitva papam avapsasi. If you don't fight here, you are going to get sins. That's what Krishna told Arjuna. So then Arjuna told Krishna that narake niyatam vaso utsanna kula dharmana manushyanam janardana narake niyatam vaso bhavati iti anushushama. So those who destroy the family tradition, I've heard that they always dwell in hell. So I will be going to hell by fighting here. That's what Arjuna told Krishna. But Krishna told very clearly, Arjuna, that by not fighting here only you will go to hell. Actually, by fighting here you will go to heaven. That's what Krishna told. If you get killed, you will go to heaven. So yadachaya chopapannam swargadwaram apapratam. Sukinage kshatriyaga partha labante yuddham yidrisham. So the gates of heaven are widely open when you fight here. Hatova prapsasi swargam jitvava bhokshashe magam. If you get killed in this battle, you are going to go to Swarga. You will go to heaven. So that way, whatever Arjuna said, everything was wrong. Completely wrong. So that way, whatever faith we have, maybe in the past, whatever our understanding, that may be totally wrong. Not only may be totally wrong. If it is not agreeing with what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, then it is wrong. So that way, this Bhagavad Gita is the knowledge what we need. This Bhagavad Gita is everything. So that way, if you understand Bhagavad Gita as it is fully, so then this confusion will go away. But it will take some time, definitely by Krishna's mercy. When we know more and more, because I have seen people with different faiths, different followers of different gods. They have come after studying Bhagavad Gita. They have become very, very great devotees actually. In IIT Madras, I have seen when I was doing PhD, even in IIT Bombay, I have seen. So definitely over a period of time, you will notice that, notice a change. Hare Krishna.
Nirma, you can talk with Guruji.